these are going in the pressure cooker, I'm going to be adding, let's see, where are we at here? A cup of orange juice. You can use apple juice. I don't have apple juice right now. Let's see if I got that right. Gonna be going in with like 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We'll just measure this up, 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll make 5. Then we're gonna top it off with about a tablespoon of liquid smoke. This is Wright's liquid smoke. I don't know if you can see that, but that's Wright's liquid smoke. Go in there with that. It's about a tablespoon. I'm gonna top this off with a half cup of water. Let that sit. The ribs are almost done. They've been sitting for a minute. On my XL pressure cooker, I did add some foil because I don't want to be doing a whole lot of cleanup today. I'm gonna take my ribs and I'm gonna put the thick side down. I'm just gonna drop those in there like a little circle. Then I'm gonna add my liquids. Now that I got everything in here, we're gonna go over to the front. First, we're gonna hit chicken meat. We're gonna go over the whale. And we wanna adjust our time. I wanna put 25 minutes. Okay, we're down to the 3-minute mark. Then we're gonna take this out, put it on a baking sheet, sauce it up, throw it in the broiler. I'm gonna start the broiler right now. All right, so we're ready. Let's open it up, get the steam out. Oh yeah. When that steam gets done, I'm gonna go ahead and get this on my baking sheet here. We're gonna sauce it up. We're gonna put them in the oven. All right, so the pressure released. Let's get the top off. Whoa, look at that. Now we just need to get them out without falling apart. Because you're gonna want to fall apart. Shoot. Got them out in one piece, that's good. I'll put that over to the side. Now we're just gonna sauce them up. Let me do the back side first. They want to fall apart right now. Get the backs off, and you can see the rub never came off. I already got my oven on broil. Then we just need to. We're gonna get. This is Sweet Baby Back Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. It's the original one. Then we got. For 8 minutes. Put that on this rack here. We'll do 8 minutes on that side, and then I'm gonna turn it over and do 8 minutes on the other side. And then these will be ready. Alright, so we're gonna get this up. I'm gonna put one more coat of you can see it sizzling. Check that out, sizzling. I'm gonna put one more coat of barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna do 6 minutes, and then it's all gonna be good. Put it back in the oven. It's still on broil. 6 minutes and we done. Bam! Alright, so the last is done. Let's get these out. I should be using mints. My daughter always said I need to use mints, but see that bubbling on there? Yeah. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. And then we're gonna go ahead and slice this over here. Slice it up. Time to eat. Alright, so we're gonna get this rib out of here. Get her on here on the chopping block. It's gonna sit for another minute, then we'll chop her up. Alright. Alright, so now I'm ready to slice them. And I'm gonna turn them over so I can see the bone. Let's cut right in here. And one more. We'll cut one more. Put my ribs in here. They're falling off the bone. I wanted some rice too. I'm gonna put my 4 ribs in here. And then I'm gonna get my last piece. I want to taste this one. Here we go.
The total amount Deputy Roger counts is far less than $1.5 million Deanna had told him was inside just a few weeks ago. The missing money further supports investigators' speculations that Craig's been dead for a while, and that his wife has been buried for
Oh boy.
The area is vast.
This is it. To the next video. See you later.